Once upon a time, I want to learn English when I was reading class 6. So I said to my mom, so my mother admitted me in CKSI Institute because a girl, she dwelling beside of my home, she talks to my mother about Mr. CKSI sir. That's why my mother admitted me in his institute. After this, first of all, sir teaches me parts of speech and sir is very sound. Such pedagogy is so good and from all students, and some students give correct answer tests but some students give wrong answer tests. Those who give wrong answer tests such as fine, and sir always says us do hard work and revise the doubt chapter, and uh, and after these parts of speech sir start tense and it's all kinds, and sir teaches in front of, and sir teaches in most charming mood, and sir teaches very sound, and sir has taught many rules, and we have also revised, and sir also has and sir also has taken oral test, and we also have revised all chapter, and sir has take oral tests from all friends, and some students give correct answer oral test but some students give wrong answer oral test. Those who give wrong answer oral test such as fine them, and the sir always says us do hard work and revise the doubt chapter. And I also read in sir's school, and sir doesn't take coaching fee from school students, and sir always says us do hard work and revise the doubt chapter. And many students will 4 p.m. batch, but some students left the batch. But sir always says one who focus on go through, who will become a topper of this batch, and do hard work. Uh, and now sir start our third chapter miscellaneous. Sir has taught 40 rules one by one, and we have revised one by one 40 rules, and we also completed our fair. Uh, Answer takes oral test from all students, and some students give correct answer oral test but some students give wrong answer test. Those who give wrong answer oral test are charged fine. So I'm in charge of this batch, and many students in 4 p.m. batch but some students left the batch. There are 3 students in this batch such as Richa, Mahi and me, and and now also in the miscellaneous. Then say start question bank now, and the question bank, and sir has sir has taught many rules, and we also have revised, and sir has now sir teaches, and now he takes oral test, and sir first of all sir ask us vocabs and verb forms, and sir taken test in school, so I stand first, and sir has taken verb test, so I also stand first, and I got full marks, and and sir sir has 5 family members, and sir teaches in front of his home, and sir's girl is fair complex, and sir's personality is so good, and sir is a very good preceptor, and I think no one brilliant as Mr. C.K. Saigal sir, because he has a lots of knowledge in English, and now also in our question bank, now sir start our spoken training, now going our spoken training very well. Intro class is first class of spoken training, and introduction class is second class of spoken training, and many classes are go held. That's why I would like to say thanks sir by heart and soul, and I offer pranam with folded hand, and and I say thanks, and I say thanks sir for teach us. When will sir not teach us and not charge fine us? So maybe we not learn to write and speak fluent English. Answer gave us PW how to make, and as they make, so they made answer right or wrong answer. Answer didn't chide at PW wrong answer, and answer didn't discrimination any students for money. Here are many students whose monthly fee due, but sir didn't discourage any students, and and now also in our and now I'm learned to write and speak fluent English. That's why I offer pranam with folded hand, and I once again I would like to say thanks sir by heart and soul, and thank you for teachers.